Welcome to creating your Office 365 website. Go to Internet Explorer and open Internet Explorer. Go to the Woodstock High School website. When you get to the website, go to the upper right-hand corner where you'll see the words Sign In. Click on the words Sign In. Right below that, you will see the Office 365 logo. Click on the Office 365 logo. When the sign-in page opens, sign in to your Office 365 account using the same login that you use to log in to the computer and click Sign In. This should bring you to your Office 365 account. Once it is fully loaded, you will notice a blue board that runs across the top of the page. The upper left-hand side of this blue bar, you will see a waffle or a grid. Click on the waffle. These boxes of apps will pop up. Go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the Sites app. Here is where all the sites you make can be found in the future. So today we are creating a new site. You will go to the upper right-hand corner to where you will see the settings gear. You will use the settings gear quite often in the process of working with your Office 365 website. So to begin, click on the settings gear and click Site Contents. Scroll past this list of libraries and apps till you see a plus sign with a circle around it and the words New Subsite. Click there. Alright, now you are going to title your website. You may call this anything you wish. It should have some relationship to your MGRP, of course, and you may change this at any time. You may change it during this process or even later on when you're working on your MGRP and you do not feel like your title fits anymore. Go past description to website address, where you will add the URL name. And basically, that is the title of your website with no spaces between the words. Go past selected language to select a template. Click on Project Site. Accept all these defaults. In other words, just scroll past them and click Create. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change the template of colors, fonts, and parts to your website. And you can do this as often as you wish. You may want to wait till you've loaded up everything to really decide what you want to put here. But the Office 365 website is completely customizable to color, fonts, etc. So we will begin by just doing a couple of things right here on the front page. Right here, this gray box, do you see Get Organized, Edit the Task List? Go ahead and click Edit. And we are going to add the date that your MGRP is due. And click Enter. X out of that pop-up, go to your sidebar and click Home. And as you can see, you have a countdown now, and that is the only thing on your task list. Okay, below that task list, you will see this line of blue boxes. We are going to go ahead and remove this because we're going to do these things through another way. So go ahead and click on the words remove this and say OK. Okay, so now let's look about some color and template change. Go back up to your settings gear in the upper right hand corner on the blue bar and scroll down to change the look. And as I said before, you can do this as many times as you need to. So as you can see, there are many templates available, and each template is customizable to a lot of colors and a lot of different fonts. In addition, you can also create a background with this color template by dropping an image here, and it will appear as a sort of watermark laying behind everything on your website. So I'll show you how to do that very quickly. Click on the word change, browse to your picture, and we want to put the penguins behind our words. Click OK. And as you can see, it drops our friendly little penguins behind the words. We can change our template and try it out. Alright, we're going to go back to our original template because that's taking just a little bit too long. There you go. And you can work on working with the font and the color at any point during this process. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to edit your links on your sidebar. And I'm going to show you how to upload pictures and documents here so that you can get a link from them. And we're going to talk a little bit more, or a little bit about if you create a genre out on the internet on an app like FlipSnack, ThingLink, etc. Okay, editing your sidebar. We want you to keep your sidebar on the left-hand side. You will click Edit Links, and we're going to go ahead and remove Calendar and Task, and hit Save. Now, let's say you have a genre that you created out in ThingLink. When you're in ThingLink and you've completed your genre, you're going to go to the Share button, and you're going to get a link. Right-click on that link and copy it. Come back to your website, click +sign link, type in the genre, and drop your right-click here in the address. I don't have anything on my right-click, so I'm going to just say OK. And as you can see, it lands genre 2 right here, but it's not hot. If it were hot, it would have a link right here on this X. And then I hit Save. So I'll demonstrate what that link looks like by showing you now how to upload a document or a picture and get a link from it and then put it on the website. So anything that you create on the computer in PowerPoint, in Word, in Publisher, etc., 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 or any picture you want to be on your website, those things have to be uploaded to this area of your website in order for Mr. Hall to see them on your sidebar. So in order to do that, you click Upload, browse to the document or picture, . say open, okay, and you should see the document or picture right here under documents. In Office 365, these three dots are your friend. That's where you get links. Click there, copy this link, close this, go over to your sidebar, edit links, add link, type in what genre it is, drop your link, drop your right click, hit paste, OK, and save. And as you can see, genre 3 is now hot and upside down. Don't know why it did that. And then you go back to your website. So you can see if you edit links here again, when you click on genre 3, it's hot. It has that link right there. But if you click on genre 2, oh, it offers you the link whether it's hot or not. Well, I learned something new. And then hit cancel. Okay, so you've created your website. You know how to upload documents to your website. You know how to get links from applications out on the internet. And you know how to add these links to your sidebar. If you have any questions, just come see me. Thanks.